How to use Wispr Flow with Claude Code 2026 guide in this video. I'm going to show you how to use Wispr Flow with Claude Code so you can speak detailed coding instructions instead of typing long prompts. First, make sure both tools are ready. Install Wispr Flow on your Mac or Windows PC, sign in, and complete the initial setup including microphone and accessibility permissions. Wispr Flow works anywhere you can normally type and officially supports dictation inside terminals and AI coding tools such as Claude Code. Next, install Claude Code if you haven't already. Open your terminal, complete the official installation process for your operating system, and run Claude Code. Then sign in with your supported Claude account or authentication method. Now navigate to your coding project in the terminal and start Claude Code. Once you see the Claude Code prompt, click or place your cursor where you would normally type your instruction. This is where Wispr Flow comes in. Activate Flow using your configured dictation shortcut, then simply speak your coding request naturally. For example, instead of manually typing a long prompt, you could say, "Review this project, find the authentication logic, explain how it works, and suggest improvements without changing any files." Stop dictation, let Wispr Flow convert your speech into text. Quickly review the prompt for accuracy and then submit it to Claude Code. Claude can analyze your project files and respond directly inside your coding session. You can use the same workflow for much more than asking questions. Dictate requests to explain unfamiliar code, debug an error, create tests, refactor functions, write documentation, or implement a feature. Claude Code can propose and perform file changes, while its permission system gives you control over actions that require approval. Wispr Flow is especially useful for longer prompts because you can explain your requirements conversationally instead of trying to compress everything into a few typed sentences. Wispr says its IDE integration can recognize contexts such as file names and variable names from supported editors, helping technical dictation match the project you're working on. If you prefer not to hold a key while speaking, Wispr Flow also provides a hands-free dictation mode on Mac and Windows. This can be particularly useful when giving Claude Code detailed multi-step instructions. Here's a pro tip. Voice prompting works best when you give Claude Code 4 things clearly: what you want changed, where it should be changed, any constraints it must follow, and how you want the final result verified. Then review the transcribed prompt before submitting it, especially when mentioning commands, file names, or technical terms. And remember, Wispr Flow is primarily handling the voice-to-text part of this workflow. Claude Code is still the coding agent that reads your project, reasons about the task, and performs approved actions. And that's how to use Wispr Flow with Claude Code in 2026. Set up both applications, open Claude Code in your project, activate Flow inside the terminal, speak your instructions, review the transcription, and let Claude Code handle the coding workflow. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which Claude Code tutorial you want to see next.